Samsung just proved it. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets some insane numbers in charging speed and way powerful processor than the previous generation according to the numbers. The Unpack event of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 going to be held on August 10, 2022 along with the Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And you can reserve your Galaxy device from Samsung's official website and get a $200 credit. And yes, Samsung is also changing the name of both devices Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with some exceptionally well figures of charging. According to Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be fully charged from 0 to 100 in less than an hour, which is because of its new charging algorithm. But the thing to note is that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will only support 25-watt fast charger. Pretty look compared to their competitor, and to charge 4,400 power battery with the just 25-watt fast charging will be amazing. And Samsung just proved all the wrongs where for now you don't need big charges to charge fast. Meanwhile, the processor on the Z Fold 4 is really good. According to ICE Universe, the Z Fold 4 get 15% faster CPU, 59% better GPU, and 68% better NPU. Then a big figures that are claimed by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, but let's see how well it will perform against other competitors. The Z Fold 4 will get a pretty bright display standing at 1000 nits with a 120Hz refresh rate and a stronger glass on the front and back. Samsung is also removing a letter Z from its foldable lineup. Since Samsung has already removed the letter Z from its website on Z Fold 3, and now the boxes of a Z Fold 4 might come with something else, but surely not a letter Z, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will potentially price the same as previous generation with the same specs. Since there is no confirmed news that if we get a 1TB version or 128 gigs version. And there is no price leak of these devices either. The cameras on the Z Fold 4 make an impact since it is a big jump over Z Fold 3 to 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom will complete Z Fold 4. What are your thoughts on new charging figures of a Z Fold 4, and does it worth it? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.